Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of core. The existence or character is central to everything. For example, managers can concentrate on their core activities. The second definition of core. A figure that is not inclusive of certain items that are subject to sudden or temporary price fluctuations. For example, core inflation was up 2.3% over the 12-month period. American pronunciation. Core. Core. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Core. Say. Core. Core means central to existence or character. Core. Core. Core origin. Middle English is of unknown origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Grate the unpeeled apples, discarding core and seeds. Now, repeat after me. Grate the unpeeled apples, discarding core and seeds. The second practice. Then cut in quarters, remove the cores and seeds. Now, repeat after me. Then cut in quarters, remove the cores and seeds.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.